In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by launching Photos app. Then select Photos or Library at the bottom and locate all of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Let's start with Library. After selecting your photos, hold the chosen one. And to pick multiple right away, use this dot at the top right corner. To exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, use this bin at the top next to the shopping cart. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups and wait. If you wish to get rid of photos from Photos section instead of Library, click on it. Hold one of your pictures and use the same dots at the top right corners. This time though, select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!